Students, today we are solving pre-RMO 2020 paper, 2019, and I am solving from question number 6. Let ABC be a 3-digit number with a non-zero digit such that a square plus b square equals c square. What is the largest possible prime factor of ABC? So ध्यान से देखिए, a square plus b square equal to c square दिया, a not equal to 0. ABC are the unit digit of the number. So only possible this is as a equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 5, or a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to 5. So the numbers are 3, 4, 5, that is 3 into 5 into 23, या फिर 4, 3, 5 जो आएगा 3 into 5 into 29. So सबको मिला के largest possible prime factor of ABC is 29. So the answer is 29. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा बहुत ऑब्जर्वेशन के ऊपर भी है. On a clock there are two instants between 12 noon and 1 p.m. when the hour hand and the minute hand are at the right angles. The difference in minutes between these two instants is written as a plus b by c. But b less than c and b by c is the reduced form. What is the value of a plus b plus c? So 12 से 1 के बीच में. तो मान लेते हैं पहला वाला x मिनट बाद होता है ऐसे एक पोजीशन में, और दूसरा वाला होता है ऐसे एक जगह में जो y मिनट है. 1 मिनट हम लोग जानते हैं 6 डिग्री होता है क्योंकि 60 मिनट फिर 360. सो 6x माइनस x बाई 60 इंटू 30 इक्वल टू 90. सो पहले से आ गया x इक्वल टू 180 बाई 11. फ्रॉम दिस 6 बाई फिर से 6 बाई 60 दिस इक्वल टू 270 डिग्री. एंटी क्लॉक के हिसाब से ले रहे हैं तो इसीलिए 360 से आएगा. सो 540 माइनस बाई 11. तो अब y माइनस एक्स अगर करेंगे सो आएगा 360 by 11. So 32 plus 8 by 11. So a plus b by c. A plus b plus c is 51. So the answer to question number 7 is 51. Next, question 8. Now next question is, how many positive integers n are there such that 3 less than equal to n less than equal to 100 and x to the power 2n plus x plus 1 is divisible by x square plus x plus 1. So observe the roots of x square plus x plus 1 is omega and omega square. So that is p of x is this thing. So p of omega this is 0. So omega to the power 2n plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. So now we know 1 plus omega square according to complex number is 0. So this is equation 1, this is 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2 we get omega to the power 2 to the power n is omega square. Now omega q is also 1. So 2 to the power n must be of the form, ये जो 2 to the power n है इसका फॉर्म ज़रूर होगा 3k plus 2. So omega to the power 2 to the power n is omega square. So dividing 2 to the power n by 3 अगर हम लोग करेंगे, so 2 to the power n minus 1 to the power n modulo of 3. So clearly x is an odd number. So 2 to the power n modulo 2 of modulo 3. Now for 3 less than equal to n less than 100, there are 49 possible values of n. Okay.